Tole akkam jirtu kabajamtootaa fi jaallatamtoota hordoftoota keenyaa. Guyyaa irraa immoo koorsii General Psychology gaafilee chapter 1 keessa ba'an muraasa isaanii kan wajjin ilaallu ta'a. So gaafin jalqabaa which of the following best explains why psychology is considered as a scientific discipline jedha. So A, because it studies emotions and the mental state in daily life. B, because it applies systematic observation and experimentation to understand behavior and the mental process. C, because it relies mainly on opinions and personal experience. D, because it focuses only on laboratory work and biological tests. So, gaaffii kanaaf deebiin B dha jechuudha. Psychology is classified as a science because it uses systematic and empirical methods, observation, experimentation, measurement, and analysis to study and explain behavior and the mental process objectively. So, question number 2. Modern psychology is best defined as the A, study of human feelings, B, scientific study of behavior and the mental process, study of animals only, study of human society. So, deebisa B, modern definition of science, behavior and the mental process. Isa kana laallee turre jechuudha. So, question number 3. Which of the following is not a goal of psychology? Goals of psychology arfan laallee turre keessaa isaan kan hin taane kamidha? A, description, B, explanation, C, prediction, D, motivation. So, deebisa D dha jechuudha. The four main goals are description, explanation, prediction, and control. So, four main goals of psychology kan jennu isaan kan arfan ture. Question number 4. Describing how often a student participates in class reflects which goal of psychology? How often a student participates? A, explanation, B, prediction, C, description, D, control. Gaaffii baay'ee salphoodha. C, description. Description focuses on observing and recording behavior as it naturally occurs. So, behaviorii tokko irratti behavoriin tokko amala akkamii akka agarsiisaa jiru callisnee ilaaluu jechuudha jalqaba irratti. Descriptioniin. Trying to understand, question number 5, trying to understand why a child acts aggressively shows which goal of psychology? A, control, B, explanation, C, prediction, D, description. Inni kuni why reasonota barbaada irraa. So, goals of psychology keessaa reasonii iddoo nuti tarreessinu kan jennee turre B ta'a jechuudha. Deebinii explanation seeks to identify causes behind observed behavior. So, explanation keessatti sababa behaviorii sun mul'achaa jiruuf wantoota sababa ta'an tarreessine jechuudha reasonota. So, answer B ta'a. The founder of first psychology laboratory in 1879 in Germany was eenyu ture? A, William James, B, William Wundt, C, Sigmund Freud, D, Edward Titchener. So, in Kenya, Wundt established the first psychology laboratory at Leipzig University, German keessatti jechuudha. So, namni yeroo jalqabaatiif laboratory psychology hundeessee bara 1879tti eenyunni William Wundt jechuudha. So, gaaffii torbaffaarra geenyerraa keezidha. Inni kun immoo Dr. Hannah Tullu, a psychologist at Addis Behavioral Research Center, is studying the effect of social media usage on university students' academic performance. She divided 60 students into two groups. One group limits social media use to 30 minutes a day, while the other group uses it freely. After a month, she compares the average GPA scores to see if social media exposure affects learning outcomes. So, which research method is Dr. Hannah using in this study? A, correlational research, B, descriptive research, C, experimental research, D, case study. So, group lamatti qoodee So barattoota giruuppii lamatti qoodee isaan kun guyyaatti daqiiqaa 30 qofaaf akka fayyadaman kun immoo haga barbaadan akka fayyadaman goota riisarchii dalagdee jechuudha. So riisarchiin ishee kunis fayyadamni sooshaal miidiyaa performaansii yookaan CGPA barattoota irratti dhiibbaa qabaachuu isaa adda baasuuf ture. So meetodii kan fayyadamte meetodii ishii fayyadamte the answer will be C ta'a jechuudha. Dr. Hannah's study involves manipulating an independent variable social media use independent variable jechuudha and measuring the effect on dependent variable academic performance which makes it an experimental research method designed to test cause and effect relationship. So as keessatti cause and effect relationship adda baasuuf kan itti yaaltedha. Independent variable social media use akkasumallee dependent variable immoo academic performance isaan kana cause and effect relationship fayyadamte waan research kana gaggeessiteef jechuudha. Gaafii saddeettaffaan who expanded Wundt's ideas into structuralism? A. Titchener, B. Watson, C. James, D. Freud. The answer will be A. Edward Titchener focused on breaking the mind into basic elements. Titchener jechuudha. So barataa Wundt jechuudha. Functionalism, which emphasizes the purpose of behavior, was founded by Gaafii saglaffaa functionalism, which emphasizes the purpose of behavior, was founded by John Watson, Sigmund Freud, William James, Edward Titchener. So deebisa maal ta'a? C ta'a jechuudha. William James studied how the mind helps people adapt and survive. Gaafii kurnaffaa the whole is greater than the sum of its parts describes which school? A. Behaviorism, B. Structuralism, C. Gestalt psychology, D. Functionalism. So deebisa C ta'a jechuudha. Gestalt psychology by Max Waldner focuses on holistic perception. So isa kana ilaallee turre. Which psychologists founded a behaviorism? Sigmund Freud, B. John B. Watson, C. William James, D. Max Wertheimer. So deebisa B ta'a jechuudha. Watson emphasized studying only observable and measurable behavior jedhee lafa kaa'e jechuudha. So question number 12, Freud's theory of personality and unconscious motives is called behaviorism, psychoanalysis, functionalism, structuralism. So deebiin isaa yaadadhaadha. B ta'a jechuudha. Psychoanalysis focus on unconscious forces and childhood experiences. Question number 13, the behavioral perspective focus mainly on behavioral perspective. Irratti focus godhu A. Environmental influence, B. Inner thoughts, C. Childhood memories, D. Brain chemicals. So deebisa A ta'a jechuudha. Environmental influence dha. Behaviorists study how environment shapes behavior through rewards and punishment. Gaafii 14ffaa the humanistic perspective emphasizes A. Free will and self-actualization, B. Unconscious drives, C. Genetic influence, D. Cultural control. So deebisa A ta'a jechuudha. Humanistic psychology or Maslow Rogers focus on growth and human potential. So the cognitive perspective focuses on A. Brain structure, B. Thinking and problem solving, C. Childhood trauma, D. Rewards and punishments. Deebisa B ta'a jechuudha. Cognitive psychology studies reasoning, memory and mental process. Gaafii 16ffaa the biological perspective studies A. Cultural learning, B. Brain and nervous system, C. Human potential, D. Social roles. So deebisa B. It explores how biology and psychology, physiology influence behavior. So isa kanarratti focus gochaa turani. So the socio-cultural perspective emphasizes cultural and social context, unconscious conflicts, brain chemistry, cognitive thinking. So socio-cultural perspective on maal jedhani. A, it examines how culture and the social factors shape behavior. Which subfield studies physical and psychological changes across the lifespan. Inni kun immoo branch of psychology keessaa isa kamtu physical and psychological change across the lifespan qo'ata. A, clinical psychology, B, developmental psychology, C, educational psychology, D, social psychology. Deebisaa developmental psychology ta'a jechuudha. Birratti kan argamu study grows from infancy to old age jennee kan laalle sana. Counseling psychologists gaaffii 19ffaa mainly help people with severe mental disorders, with everyday adjustment issues, with brain injuries, D, in laboratory settings only. So deebiin isaa here they assist biirratti kan argamu individuals facing normal life challenges such as career or family issues. Gaaffii 20ffaa which of the following is a descriptive research method? Descriptive research method jalatti kan argaman A, survey, B, experiment, C, correlation, D, theory. Answer A, descriptive methods include naturalistic observation, case studies and surveys. Isaan kana sadiin akka of jalaa qabu laallee turre. 21ffaa correlation research helps psychologists A, establish cause and effect, B, measure relationships between variables, C, control participant bias, D, predict but not describe. Deebisaa B, correlation measures how strongly two variables relate without proving causation. Correlation kuni cause and effect irratti hin xiyyeeffatu. Relation isaan gidduu jiru qofa. Either strong or weak kan jedhu sana jechuudha. So malee cause and effect isaanii kamtu kamirraan dhiibbaa gaa waan jedhu sana hin qabatu jechuudha. So correlational research kuni xiyyeeffannoo isaa relation isaan gidduu jiru. 22ffaa experimental research differs because it A, observes naturally occurring behaviors, B, determines cause and effect relationships, C, avoids variable manipulation, D, uses interviews only. So deebisaa makamtaa B ta'a jechuudha. It manipulates variables to identify causal relationships. 23ffaa in an experiment testing class size and student performance, the dependent variable is A, class size, B, student performance, C, school location, D, teachers gender. So deebisaa B irratti kan argamu the dependent variable changes based on the manipulation of the independent variable class size. 24ffaa which of the following shows the correct order of scientific research steps? A, define problem, A, define problem, formulating hypothesis, testing hypothesis, conclusion report. Conclusion report B irratti kan argamu hypothesis, define the problem, testing the hypothesis, reporting, conclusion. So irratti kan argamu immoo testing hypothesis, formulation, report, define the problem, conclude. D irratti kan argamu observe, conclude, hypothesis formulating, reporting and hypothesis testing. So isa sirriin qabannee research step research keessa inni sirriin qabannedha. So deebisaa irratti kan argamu jechuudha standard scientific process in psychology. So irratti kan argamu jalqaba irratti problem define goona, then hypothesis formulate goona, hypothesis test goona, conclusion dhuma irratti immoo conclude erga goonee booda report goona jechuudha. 25 a psychologist who helps workers improve productivity works in which field? So branch of psychology keessa isa kamtu helps workers improve productivity works in which field? A, educational psychology, B, industrial or organizational psychology, C, clinical psychology, D, cognitive psychology. So deebisaa B irratti kan argamu industrial psychologists apply psychology principles to workplace performance and motivation. So pirinsiploota saayikooloojii keessa jiran productivity dabaluudhaaf gara organization yookaan gara industiriitti apply godhu jechuudha. So question 26, which of the following statements about correlation is true? Why correlation wajjin wal qabatee isa kamtu sirriidha? It shows cause and effect. B, it only measures positive relationships. C, it can be positive, negative or zero. It is the same as experimentation. So deebisa C ta'a jechuudha. Positives ta'uu danda'a, negatives or zero ta'uu danda'a. Zero jechuun relation hin qaban jechuudha. Correlation can show positive and negative relationship between variables. Which of the following research methods allows for the study of a single individual in depth? Case study, survey, experiment, correlation. So deebisa A ta'a jechuudha. Case studies provide detailed information about one person or case but can't be generalized. 28, in research, a hypothesis is best described as research keessatti hypothesis akkamitti ibsina? A final conclusion. B, a tentative statement to be tested. C, a proven fact. D, a personal opinion. So deebisa hypothesis a tentative statement to be tested gara fuulduraatti kan testi ta'udha jechuudha. So hypothesis is an educated guess about the relationship between variables. 29, a psychologist who studies how people influence and relate to each other works in social psychology, developmental psychology, clinical psychology, health psychology. So deebisa social psychologists study attitudes, conformity and group behavior. Gaafii 30ffaa fi dhumaan applying psychological knowledge to solve a practical life problem shows which goal of psychology? A control, B, description, C, observation, D, prediction. So deebisa A ta'a jechuudha controlii. Behavior isaan kan itti improve goonu gara barbaadamne irraa gara barbaadamutti kaffinnu jennee turre. The control goal involves using knowledge to change or improve behavior. So gaafileen nuti irraaf qabanne kana fakkaatu konseptoota hagati agar hubattaniif baay'ee deeggaruu danda'a. So chaanala kana subscribe godhadhaa, hiriyoota keessaniif share godhaa. Kan itti aansu immoo chapter 2dhaan wal agarra jechuudha. So viidiyoo kana like share godhaadhaa. Goodbye.